Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pause a Dota 2 game. This matters when someone disconnects or lags before the game starts. During a match, you can press your pause hotkey if it is bound. In my case, my pause key is F9. The game will pause for everyone. Pausing exists to keep matches fair when technical issues happen, not to delay on purpose. Here are some rules about pausing that you need to keep in mind. 1. You can only pause 3 minutes into the game. 2. A person can only pause once every 5 minutes, but there are no restrictions as to how many unpauses you can do. And 3. If someone disconnects from your team, an enemy can only unpause the game after 30 seconds. If no one disconnects, a person can unpause after 5 seconds. To resume, press the pause hotkey again. And that's how to pause a Dota 2 game. Thank you so much for watching.